Hi, John here. In this video, I would like to show you like a little case study. Basically, I'm testing products every day, okay? And recently, I found a winner. And in this video, I will show you first couple of days of Facebook advertising, basically of tests of that product. So you will see like my decisions and why I thought this is a winner. Then I will show you how I sourced the product with my supplier, sent it from China to USA, and then how I scaled the product. It basically happened all like last week. So I will show you also like problems that I kind of like got when I tried to source the product like very fast, in China. But first, I would like to thank you for watching all my videos, and if you like them and you would like to see more of my videos, definitely subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button, and also if you have some ideas about future videos, then definitely comment below. Okay, first I will explain you what kind of product I'm selling. Well, I will not tell you exactly what product I'm selling, okay, but I will tell you at least like a niche. So it's like a car niche, and it's like a very wide range, So basically, this product could work with anybody in car or who is using cars. So I can go with my ad sets like very wide, and I can target basically like almost everybody. So this product has like a nice targeting. It's not something that I can just over promote like very fast. Okay, I'm selling it for 90.90 plus 5 shipping, and now I will show you my ads manager. Okay, so this is my ad account. Here is that product and couple of campaigns that belong to it. So basically you can see that I started this product like first day test in September 19, and yeah, in that first day we spent $227. I had just a couple conversions. So basically I launched 13 ad sets, and 11 ad sets had conversions. Okay, that's usually like a great sign. Okay, and here I actually use $20 ad sets. But overall, when you see that you launch product and first day like 80% of your ad sets have conversions, then there is like something in this product, okay? And there is like a huge potential. However, after that first day, I didn't like, for example, add to carts, okay? Usually when I'm selling like product this cheap, for like 19.90 plus those, so $25, for like whole product, then I expect those add to carts will be running around like 5, 6 maybe. Basically for 17 purchases, I got just 23 add to carts. It's just like too low, okay? So even when this was like fine, I still was like thinking maybe it will not work, maybe it will, okay? But anyway, usually when something is working and you will push it more, then it will start work even more. Okay, so I was like ready that okay, this was fine, I will just go on second day and I will try to like double it, well, which I basically tripled, right? So from those 13 ad sets that I had, I made 34, right? And I didn't really even like play with targeting or something. I just duplicate it all because that's what I do usually like the first day. I mean, if it's working, I will just dupe it, 3 times. Second day was actually like not so great, okay? Second day I got like 1.26 ROAS. That add to cards were even like more horrible, not great, okay? But then I started a little bit playing with ad sets, so I tried to create completely new ones from scratch based on that audience. I play with it a little bit, and basically that third day I push it to 2.31 ROAS with same budget. So basically again I spent 673 and I made from it around like 1.558. Don't take those Facebook stacks too seriously because sometimes that pixel misses, so maybe if I had here like 54 purchases, in reality it was like 58, 60, because usually there is like some loss. At that point I decided that okay, I will just go to supplier and I will order it. I can push it. Okay, so let's just now check the communication. And because this product actually was one of those products that my supplier already have in stock, and he actually told me about it like a couple months before, I just didn't know if I will test it, then I already knew that he can actually like get it to me. So I asked him, like if he still have it in stock, that I start selling it, and if he send more to USA warehouse, because with that like new customer feedback score, I knew that I just need to get it to US warehouse, otherwise it's like done. And I told him that I already sold like 60 sets. It was on September 21st, so That was third day. He said, okay, great, he still have in China 2000 pieces. So I told him it's like great for start, because I mean that's like 1000 orders and I already made like 200 orders or something. So I can I can make it work. Even if it will be like low ROAS, I can really like jump on it and try to take a risk and sell it all. However, here we kind of like have a problem. Not because it takes long to get it from China to USA. That's usually like 7 till 10 days, when you use the airplane. However, problem is that when you are selling something to US warehouse, first they need to pre-pack these packages for orders, because if they will pack it in US warehouse, it will get a lot more expensive. So they basically need to first get it ready, then they need to ship it to Shanghai, and it needs to be there like 3 days in airport, wait, it's like a rule, and then they basically need to ship it to SA, and that takes 7 days. Okay, so here basically I told him that, well, I want to do like 100 orders per day of this product at least. He checked it in warehouse and everything. However, he told me that he will need some like extra days, right? So basically that means that it would take him to get it from China to USA almost like 2 weeks, which is kind of like dangerous, because when you're running like new page on Facebook, they can basically kill you, okay, if you have that slow shipping. Okay, so I knew that, okay, I'm running right now around like those 60, 100. If I will push it more and I will not have that stock, and it will take 2 weeks from China to USA, and then it will take another like 5 or 6 days in USA to customer, that's even like 3 weeks. Okay, that's like suicide. So I needed here basically to push him kinda, okay? So he told me that he can do it, and he will try to do it fast as possible. Then basically next day on 22nd September, he basically told me that I should pause campaigns because they don't think they will make it, right? So he basically said that they will try to ship it fastest way, and they will maybe catch the flight, on Sunday, on 27th September. If everything goes smoothly, that product will be in US warehouse in 1st October. But if they will miss that flight, then there is like a 8-day holidays in China. So basically, if they will not be able to send it in Sunday, then I will need to wait another 8 days, for another flight, which is like a great news. So I tried to like push on him, like if he will make it. And basically on 23rd September, I asked him if he will get it there on Sunday, and he said that they will not. So we kind of like decided that, okay, so safe way, because I already have around like those 200 orders or something waiting basically to fulfill, and I want to do it through our suppliers. So they sent basically almost 200 sets in advance with DHL, so it will get there like super fast. And then I will need to wait till 5 October, and then basically from the 5 October I can fulfill. So I told him, okay, so I will basically restart that promotion on 2nd October, and well, on 5 October they will be able to already like start fulfilling. And I also told him that to get me ready another like 2 or 3,000 sets, so when I will really like burn through those 1000 sets, 2000 pieces that they are sending, I don't want to stop anymore, okay? So they will basically send those first DHL orders, will get there in 1st October. Basically that will cover what I have now, because basically from now I'm stopping ads, right? 22nd September I stopped ads. And basically there is another flight that in 5 October, those almost 1000 sets, 1820 pieces will get to USA, and then another like 2 or 3000 will arrive in USA 3 or 5 days after that 2000 unit set. So basically we kind of have like a plan, okay? And from that point I already knew, okay, so I need to now hold it till 2nd October, and so basically it was like 10 days or 11 days. So that was kind of also like a risk, because usually when you stop something, it's not like always great, right? So I needed to really like, okay, like I'm stopping this, it's like making money, I will just stop it. So I did. Then he confirmed after like a couple days that all those 3 batches of goods have arrived in Shanghai airport. They will be still fulfilled, based on our plan. So let's get back to Ads Manager. Basically on 22nd September, I stopped ads, right? And it was last day, so on 23rd September I decided to stop ads. and we didn't basically spend anything till 2nd October. On 2nd October, I relaunched again, but this time I didn't like start with like 600. So I started with that first day. I basically spent around like $1,000, right? I kept that ROAS around like 1.83, and those add to carts kind of got to that value where I actually wanted to have it, you know, around like those $5 or $6 per add to cart. And then from 3rd October I just like push it higher, you know. So that 3rd October I already like scaled it to $2,000 in day spent. That was a lot better. It was already like 2.36 RAS, you know, and that add to cart was actually went a lot down, you know. So it was almost like $4, you know, 69, which was great, you know, and even clicks, everything was like nice here. So every time when I pushed more, you know, and tried to increase and put there like more data, Facebook started to be like a lot smarter, okay? So I could go with like a lot of these like automobiles assets, you know, driving assets, and tons of my like databases. And on 4 October I went almost on $3,000, and yeah, I kept the RAS around like 1.93. Actually I was like trying to duplicate too much, you know, and I didn't create a lot of like unique assets, which I well start doing, you know. So basically now I am like waiting for another stock, and when I will get that stock I will try to, you know, push it on like $6,000 a day, then $10,000 a day, and try to like milk it as fast as possible. And that's basically it. So this is how I kind of like do it always, right? I just do like small tests, and I increase it, you know, then I get stock, you know, and when I have that stock and I know, or that stock is already on the way from China, I mean like in airplane to USA, then basically I can start, you know, like increasing and try to like double it every day. And yeah, I do it like with all my products. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you are still not in Affirmation, my free Facebook mastermind group, definitely join it. It's full of people who spend millions of dollars every month on Facebook. And well, if you have more advanced questions about e-commerce or Facebook, then you will definitely have your answer there. And also definitely download my free ebook, Facebook Advanced Survival Guide. I wrote it to get you out of the Facebook circle of hell, you know. So when your Facebook is getting like a lot of bans, you know, or like your access got restricted or your page was disabled, then this book will take you out of that Facebook circle of hell. So definitely download that. And thank you very much for watching. I will see you in next video. Bye.